Well, good morning, y'all. It is the morning of day 6, and we're coming down the tail stretch of this 7-day journey. So you can see I'm up here in the upper level here of the World Galleria, the promenade here. Today is definitely a work day for me, but as always, y'all, if you're ready, I am. Let's go. It is time for lunch, and lunch today is at the Yacht Club Grill and Bar. This is up here in deck 21 at the forward of the ship. Morning, Erican. Doing very well, thank you. See the bar behind me. They make drinks here, but there's no seats. That's a little bit sad about the World America. But they do have a nice lunch menu out here, so I already know what I'm getting. I'll show you guys in just a minute, but looking forward to this.
I am getting ready to try the braised black bean lentils. They look really good. It looks like there's some sour cream maybe on top. Tastes like a lentil soup. There really isn't a whole lot of flavor. I'm gonna say this is a fare without. It's definitely not bad, but like I said, it is kind of lacking flavor.
I've got the ribeye steak, but I have them put it on a sub roll, some mayonnaise on it, and it's really basic, but honestly, it looks fantastic. Honestly, that's fantastic. It's perfect medium rare, just super tender. Honestly, that's everything I would ask for. That is a yummy for me and a highlight of this Yacht Club experience. Had a great lunch at the Yacht Club Grill. It was a little bit windy out there, but it was nice. But now I need to finish my review of this beautiful ship, so I'm gonna find a quiet spot here in the top sail lounge to sit down and get some work done. Tonight is the captain's cocktail here in the top sail lounge, and then dinner and the white night party. So I gotta get this done so we can enjoy that. Tonight they have the captain's cocktail here in the top sail lounge, and so I'm making my way in for this. Not the best view of where the captain will be speaking, but I've been working here all day, so this has just been my spot. So it's nice to hear from the captain, so we'll see what he has to share with us. Enjoy some good live music. I'm sure Dr. E will be here, and we're just gonna make the most of the next 30 minutes or so before we head to dinner. If you're ready, I am. Let's go. They just came around with some drinks to choose from, and let's see what we've got here. So this is the MSC Signature Martini. Brought some chips and some party mix. We got some fruit, little finger foods. This is the MSC Signature Martini. Is it good? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Not crazy about martinis. It's not bad. Don't love it though. Tonight, please welcome to stage on violin, Valentina. There it is, the amazing crew here in the Yacht Club doing their thing. They are amazing.
For example, of course we take seawater, we make it into fresh water, and we can make it up to a rate of 160 tons per hour. A lot of water there, so because I know you all like that shower, don't you? Yes.
Well, it's time for dinner, and here we are, the Yacht Club restaurant. Ba-ba-da-ba. For my appetizer, I have the foie gras tahine, and it looks really good, so I'm excited to give it a shot. See, bon appetit. Honestly, I think that's fantastic. I wish there was a little bit more accessory flavor to go with it, so that's gonna hold me back from the yummy, but at the core, it is still very good.
I'm starting off tonight, white night in the Yacht Club restaurant with broccoli cheddar soup. I'm gonna actually go ahead and give this a very good. I will add a little bit of salt and pepper. The consistency is smooth and it really tastes nice.
I got the shrimp pastors here for my appetizer, so they're kind of spicy, not gonna lie, but I'll eat the shrimps. But overall, it's okay. I'll give it a fair.
All right, well, there was a bit of confusion at dinner. We were supposed to be getting the Wagyu strip loin at the Yacht Club restaurant, and I don't know what happened, but it wasn't the right steak, and that's a very specific cut, and it's amazing. And they gave us one that's like the exact opposite. It was like very lean, which is good. It's healthier, but it's not as tasty. So we're gonna try butcher's cut if they can get us in. This is the Wagyu strip loin, and it is my favorite steak. So it's a little overcooked, but it probably doesn't matter because these things are so tender. I probably won't even notice. even if it's overcooked, it's still phenomenal. So that's a yummy. I'm gonna enjoy it. It's time for the white night party, y'all. Here we go. There's a DJ. Look at this. All right, here we go. Sing it along, Yacht Club. Big old bar you can see there.
Spring became the summer. You gotta shake your booty for this one. Come on, family.
Oh, John, thank you. Thank you. Perfect. All right, well, for the white night party to the Speakeasy. Here it is, y'all. Here's the menu in this place. You guys look. Got all sorts of drinks, and you can only get these drinks in here. I was wondering if the drink menu had changed, but I'm pretty sure this is the same as what it was back in May. Problem is, I don't remember what I liked and what I didn't.
For once unafraid, I will go where life leads me. Somehow I know I'll be strong.
For once I'm putting on the Ritz. That's where each and every little bell goes. Every Thursday evening with a swell bros, rubbing elbows, come with me and we'll attend their jubilee. See this?
I didn't know where that was going. I got a G.I. Joe. Cheers, y'all. That's pretty good.
Ian, Ivan, Anna, Tatiana, Ryan and Dave, everybody.
Country road, come on, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home on the road.
It was a slow morning and afternoon as I worked on my review for this ship, but it was a very eventful evening between dinner at 2 different restaurants, the white night party in the Yacht Club, and then the Speakeasy bar. So I am exhausted. So now, as you can see the lights here turned out already, it's time for me to call it a night. So as always, y'all, it's been real, it's been fun, it's been really fun, but now today is really over. It's time for bed, y'all. Good night. Good morning, y'all. It is day 7, the final day of this 7-day voyage. Today, we are at beautiful Ocean Key, MSC's private Caribbean paradise here in the Bahamas. This is just a truly incredible place to spend a day, and I can't wait to share it with all of you. So as always, if you're ready, I am. Let's go. Made it to paradise, aka Ocean Key, and well, the family's been waiting on me patiently as I finished filming, and it's time to go grab some lunch. You guys ready to get some lunch? We're hungry. Let's go get some lunch. Here we are at the Ocean House for lunch here in the Yacht Club area of Ocean Key. Look at those 2 giant iguanas. Those things are massive. I've got a shrimp salad, and then more importantly, I've got a fried chicken sandwich. They have a new menu here at the Ocean House since the last time we were here, so still got some of the classics like the lobster roll, but I decided to try something different. So I'll try the shrimp salad first. We'll see how this is. That's just okay. I would say that's fair. All those flavors don't really work well together. But now we'll try the chicken sandwich. I'll say this thing is huge. So I'm not gonna try to get some of my other ones. I'm just gonna cut some of the chicken off. It's not overly dried out like sometimes can happen with chicken like this. The buffalo sauce is nice, got a little bit of heat, but not over the top. And the buffalo sauce they bring on the side, so if you don't like it, it's not like marinated into the chicken, which is really nice. So I'm gonna go with a very good on this, and like I said, the side is a fair. The Ocean House is right over there, and the original Yacht Club Beach is that way. Now they have a new one here. It gives us more room to spread out, but also this doesn't have the rocky beach like what you find over the original one. So see, they've got a tent here and get your towels and some basic drinks. Look at this. Is this not heaven? This is incredible. Well, the final show of this 7-day voyage, and we know it's gonna be a good one because it is Queen Symphonic.
Another one bites the dance, come on! Yeah, you're ready, you're ready. All right, let me feel you now. How is feeling? How's everybody doing? Good.
There are not many bands that you can truly call
global successes, but Queen are one of those bands. Everybody knows their music the world over. However, what we've done by adding the orchestra is to take these songs to another level.
Y'all, we just saw the amazing Queen Symphonic. This is Georgie. She was absolutely incredible. You guys are so talented. So.
Thank you. And I have to say, I was on stage and I looked in the front row and I was like, I know this guy. He's the cruise ship vlogger, like rating the ships man.
That's
yes.
me, that's me.
I was just going through my downloads, like I know him, I have him in my YouTube. That's so funny.
Good morning, y'all. Well, that scene behind us means we are officially at Port Miami and it is almost time to get off the ship. We're waiting on them to tell us that we can officially get off the ship. They haven't made that announcement yet, but hopefully they will soon. As always, y'all, it's been a great trip and I really appreciate you being here for it. Now, it's time to go. If you're ready, we are. Let's go. It is 6:15 a.m. and it's time to get off the ship. Hopefully they haven't made the announcement yet, but we gotta go because the kids and Mackenzie have a flight to catch up. If you're ready, we are. Let's go.
We appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Well, guys, that's a wrap. And Mackenzie and the kids have a flight to catch. The Uber will be here in just a minute. But Kate, what was your favorite part of that trip?
My favorite part of the trip was probably the slides.
The slides. Jackson, what was your favorite part?
The bumper cars.
The bumper cars. Yeah, the bumper cars are good.
I'm gonna say knowing the ship was kind of a different thing that we don't normally have. But besides that, the Panorama Theater.
For me, it was the crew. The crew and the Yacht Club are absolutely incredible. So grateful for all of you. If you happen to be watching, just know that you really made the trip for us and we're truly blessed. So that said, they got to get to the airport. There's a huge snowstorm coming and they got an 8:35 flight out. That is tight, but we got a chance. It's 6:15, we're off the ship. So as always, guys, it's been fun. It's been really fun, but now it's really over, y'all. Bye for now.